Hey everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer from Coinbase to KuCoin. The first thing you need to do to transfer crypto from Coinbase to KuCoin is to go over to Coinbase and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the send/receive button in the top right. You'll then get a pop-up looking similar to this one. And the first thing you need to do here is to select the coin you want to transfer. So I'll go ahead and search for Algorand. Once you have selected the coin you want to transfer, you'll now need to fill in the address you want to deposit to. So to find this address, go over to KuCoin and then go over to Assets. Here you'll need to go over to Main Account. Over on this page you need to go over to the search bar and search for the coin you want to deposit. So in my case that's Algorand. Once you have found the coin you want to deposit, you need to go over to the Operations section and click on the Deposit button. Please make sure that the coin you're about to transfer is the same coin on Coinbase as well as on KuCoin, because if you send your crypto to the address of another cryptocurrency, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So once you have double checked that the coin you're transferring is the same coin on both of the exchanges, the next thing you need to do is to select the account you want to deposit in. So for me, that will be my main account. The last and final thing you need to do on KuCoin is to copy your deposit address. To copy this address, you can go over to those two papers and click on it. You'll then see that your address has been copied. The next thing you need to do is to go back over to Coinbase and paste the address in. So once you have selected the coin you want to transfer and then filled in the deposit address, you can now go ahead and fill in the amount you want to transfer. So for this example, I'll go with $25 worth of Algorand. You can also choose to fill in the amount of Algorand you want to transfer by clicking on those two arrows, and then just simply filling in the amount of Algorand you want to transfer. Once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, now all that's left to do is to click on the Continue button and then go through the same verification process as you need to go through when you're logging in on Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.